Looking for a permanent solution to hair loss? At Cancun Hair Restoration, we offer the FUT hair transplant, a classic, precise, and highly effective technique performed by specialists with international experience. With this procedure, we can implant more than 3,000 grafts in a single session, making it ideal for those seeking full coverage, natural results, and maximum density. We extract a thin strip from the donor area, dissect it with surgical precision, and place each follicular unit following the exact direction of hair growth. The result, a natural, long-lasting look that's undetectable. The FUT hair transplant is perfect for those with curly or thick hair or advanced hair loss. It's also the technique preferred by many women, as long hair completely hides the linear scar. At Cancun Hair Restoration, we combine state-of-the-art technology, highly qualified medical staff, and a personalized approach to ensure each patient achieves their desired result. Your new look begins with a decision. Regain your confidence. Book your consultation at cancunhairrestoration.com and take the first step today. Contact us.